Dan Resin here with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today we're going to be going over our XPS Slow Cure Polyaspartic kit. This kit comes in 2 gallons with a mixing time of 1 minute with a 1-to-1 ratio. Your pot life is going to be 30 minutes with a working time of 30 to 45 minutes. Your dry time is 12 to 18 hours. Your return to foot traffic is 24 hours with a return to heavy traffic in 96 hours. Your recoat window is 24 hours. Anything past that will require sanding. So let's get into our coverage rates. For a flake floor base coat, you're going to do 1 coat at 175 to 200 square feet per gallon. For top coat over flakes, you're going to do 1 to 2 coats at 120 to 130 square feet per gallon. And for a solid color floor, you're going to do 1 to 2 coats at 175 to 250 square feet per gallon. Let's get into our pigment ratios. So for solid colors, we have 2 different options. We have the Laticrete Universal Pigments, which is going to be 1 pod per gallon, or we have our 1 liter pigments, which will be 1/3 of a pod per 2 gallon kit. Now, for the 1 liter pigments, you only want to use these on flake floors, as if you use this for a solid color floor, you won't get the pigment in there consistently. Now, let's get into the features of this product. So for this product, because it's a slow cure product, you have a long working time. It's very user-friendly and forgivable. It has superior scratch and chemical resistance, and most importantly, it has no odor. Now, let's get into our demo.